Hi everyone, in front of me I've got NUBIA Pad 3D and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down in order to find the system option. And now let's tap on date and time, and as you can see here we've got some options which are currently inactive, and because of that we cannot manually change the date and time. So all we have to do is to turn off the automatic options which are currently applied. So just tap on those three switchers, and now we can freely tap on date, and just by swiping choose the date we want to use, confirm it with OK. The same situation with the time, confirm it with OK also. We can tap on the time zone, tap on the region, and here we've got the list of available regions from which we can choose, so just find yours and tap on it. For example, this one. Of course it will be immediately applied, however be aware that after changing the time zone, that time will also change according to it. Under it we've got the time format. You can use automatic option, which is local default, or you can use a 24-hour format. Currently we've got the 12-hour one. To apply this one, simply tap on the switcher, and as you can see it will be immediately applied. Alright, so here we've got the manual customization of date and time, and of course we can go back to all previous settings just by tapping on those switchers right here. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.